Now, this is the finish, and the bins are still full, otherwise I'd have brought them in. Bear in mind now, today is an extremely windy day, and I've got the place up to a level and spec. I'll swing the camera around there now. So you see the hedges. I've cleaned all the leaves, even outside the front of the house. I had to go out there as well, but it's like a hurricane. Yeah, all the way along here now as well. Cleaned all this little pathway. A couple of leaves about, can't do nothing about it, no big deal. Bay tree trimmed, pittosporum trimmed, and there in the video also trimmed around here, trimmed a few down the back, and again tidied up the patio. Now, I remember there I did a video last week, and on the video I said cleaning, you won't get called back. What I mean is you won't get called back to clean it properly. As you can see here now, I've it all cleaned, and that's one thing I've gone in my business now is I have a 0 callback rate for complaints. I get called back again to work for the client. If you wonder what they are, they're my glasses. I keep them in there, protective eyewear, but I always get called back. So guys, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, welcome, and I'll be sending videos out every week now, guys. It's all under control. Over and out.